Good morning, friends. My name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. The vast majority of my garden is growing well, but a few of the plants are really not doing well because we've had a lot of 100-degree weather. So let me show you the plants that are having troubles. And also I have a couple of blueberry plants that break my heart. They're having aphids and ant problems. So let's go help some of my plants that are needing some help. This blueberry plant has aphids and ants. This blueberry plant has aphids and ants. These ones do not, so I have to move the two sickly ones away from the pack to not spread the problem. I moved my blueberries over to here from over there so that I can help them. Next, these carrots are not happy about so much sun, so I'm gonna move them so that they can get a little shade. All right, this is a good spot for them so that they can have more shade. Next, I am not thrilled with growing potatoes in containers. So the ones that are doing the worst, I'm going to harvest them today and use the soil for growing corn. So I'm going to pick out the ones that are doing the worst. These are the potato plants that I'm going to harvest today. Will I get any potatoes out of it? I do not know. This is where I'm going to be putting the soil, but I think I need to put some cardboard down first. Here I have carrots that have not really come to fruition, so I'm going to dig up some carrots where I'm going to be planting the corn, and I'm going to put them in here. Here's one carrot I'm going to move. Moved it. Call me crazy. We're experimenting today. These are carrots that I just randomly scattered in here when I was trying to just grow something in between my cauliflower and my broccoli. Well, now that I've harvested my cauliflower and my broccoli, I want to keep my carrots, but obviously they're not very big. So I'm going to replant them. We're going to see if it's possible. We're finding out through experimentation. Let's do this. The question of the day is, can carrots be repotted? I don't know. We're finding out. Should we see if we have any potatoes at all? Let's check it out. Here's what a potato looks like before it's ready. Fascinating. And here's the stage before that. This one has several growing. These are red potatoes, by the way. This one actually can be eaten. Look, this is the seed potato I started with. This is how they start to grow. This is my original potato. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Next one. The root broke. Okay, one tiny baby in the beginning of another one. This is the original potato it came from. Let's try this one. This one grew a potato. It really did it. Look. It really grew a potato. Yay. Here's the original potato it came from. Here's my next one. There was a little potato starting to grow. Wow! We have some potatoes. That's exciting. Little potatoes. Here's the original it came from. We're keeping those. Replant them. So don't feel sad for me because I have very successful potato plants in the ground, and I have other containers that I'm keeping. It's just fascinating to see, you know, the growing process, how it goes, right? And I'm going to reuse this soil. So I'm reusing the seed potatoes, reusing the soil. So don't feel sad about this situation. I'm getting a few potatoes out of it too. It's just I want to do something different here. I don't want to buy the soil. I want to get up all this grass, put down some cardboard, Put down some soil, good soil, and then I'm gonna put some corn seeds. Next one. Potato. Thank you, little potato plant. A little tiny baby potato. You can see her now. I'm cooking potatoes today. There's the seed potato. Again, I can reuse it. I really believe I can. Surprise! That was unexpected. Another surprise! Very unexpected. Well, this is cool. My kids are looking at me. I thought I heard Joshy. Maybe it was you that I heard. Potato! Another potato. I'll take it. Future potatoes. Okay, let's see what we can find in here. Our seed potato. Look, with a little potato connected to it. How cute is that? I'm gonna put this over here. Yeah, just a few. You might have to go around the other way, sweetheart. Hi, Asta. How you doing? Good. I'm not digging up like the potatoes in the ground. I'm just getting the potato plants that were dead in the containers. Look, got some potatoes. Is that pretty cool? Yeah. All right, these are my next ones.
Are you picking the plant?
All right, check this out. Got a big one. Another one. Exciting, we got something.
We just found a tiny so tiny.
Look, get it.
I got it.
Get it. All right, last one. Let's see what we can do. Oh, you're pulling it up? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if we have some big potatoes and that's why these stems are breaking, or if it's just because they're dead. All right, we're gonna see what happens. Let's look down in there. Let's see if there's anything in here. some potatoes. I still didn't find the seed potato. That's not too bad. Something. We got some potatoes. Here's our seed potatoes we can reuse. Here's our plants we dug up. And here's our potatoes we harvested. Next, we're gonna pull up as much grass as we can. Esther and Deborah are having a little bit more fun than Mommy. Here, I pulled up a bunch of grass. It's in the corner there. I'm gonna put down some cardboard and some soil. There you go. I found another potato. Woohoo! I just found another potato. Yay! Now I'm gonna rake this flat. I found another buried treasure. And another one. Yay. I just found another one. So cool. Finding potatoes. That's all, folks.